So it is a legitimate probably 70 some degrees right now. All the snow is gone. Oh look, there's a helicopter. I think today's the day that we're gonna start the S2000. At least that's what Ben thinks. Let's hope for the best. I gotta go pick up some oil because we drained all the oil out of the car. And something is screwed up with my door for whatever reason. But man, it smells weird in here. I need to clean this car out so bad. Anyways, gonna be heading up there, trying to get the S2000 done, and hopefully kicking this off. So, all right. We'll see you guys up the shop. Damn, this is the moment people have been waiting for. It's been a lot of people commenting saying, man, you guys are just doing the same thing on the S2000 all the time. Nothing's ever getting done. I'm nervous. Today's the day though. Should probably do this to make it look a little better. She's ready to be fired up, so putting the oil in now. Let's see what happens. What's up, guys? All right, there we go. Where should I set this up at?
I don't know.
All right, everybody, we're about to start the car up and see what happens. So, here we go.
Both of those are just vacuum lines.
So is the battery connected? I unplugged that horn so it doesn't go nuts. Yeah, it was plugged back in. Are those people still watching over there?
Now we should technically tighten these up.
So were we?
Did you tell people we didn't hook up the intake?
Yeah, I told them that the intake's not hooked up. Are you all right? You right here? You hold the camera.
I got other things.
Hold
to worry about.
Here, you can do both. All right. So what do you want me to do here?
Just make sure it's in neutral.
Is the battery plugged in?
No.
All right.
You ready?
I guess so. You ready? It keeps. All right. Here we go.
I'll let you know if you need to shut it off quick.
It's not doing anything.
Is the battery dead? Wonder if it has something to do with that theft because we disconnected the horn.
It like doesn't even turn.
Shut it off. Is it shut off?
It's like
It's in like alarm mode or something.
Now let me try and turn the alarm off.
Cause like it's flashing the lights like it. I hear the fuel pump. Is it not doing anything? Wonder if it's just really dead. This is live streaming.
Yeah, this is what happens when you live stream.
Oh, here you go.
All right, I think our battery is dead, so we need to take care of this real quick. We'll be back momentarily. Goodbye for now. Thank you for tuning in, though. Can we take like the battery out of something else and take the battery out of my car? So evidently the battery's dead, which makes a lot of sense, but
It's got like 12 volts, it says.
is that how much it's supposed to be?
Yeah, it's supposed to be a little higher, but that should at least turn it over.
So Ben forgot to push the button. It should work now.
Literally, all you had to do is push the button.
It should work now. Watch, it still doesn't work.
It probably still won't.
It probably still won't.
You got it in neutral?
Yeah, it's probably gonna start now. Send it!
Just get ready to... Shut it off. Dude, it's spinning so crazy fast. I want to make sure it's got oil. Dude, it was spinning.
Let me see it real quick.
Dude, it was spinning so fast. Don't get your finger near that. Woo! Yeah. Pushing. Oh yeah. Is he getting oil? Probably. It hasn't froze up yet.
What, is that froze up by now?
Probably.
I mean, she's pretty radical. Oh, man. I think it was all because you just couldn't push the button. I cannot believe I forgot.
That thing was spooling pretty fast.
I mean, It seemed like everything was tight, like it wasn't like leaking air or leaking, man, that thing gets real fucking hot.
Really?
Feel how hot that is.
It was definitely leaking.
It was.
Yeah. That gets real hot real quick.
Real hot real quick.
Well, let's try to tighten down that manifold now that she's heated up a little bit.
Yeah.
But dude, that thing was like instant on the spool.
I was so nervous. That's why I was so nervous. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for tonight. Just a really quick short video. Tonight we got a little bit of work done. Ben was up here, got the downpipe, the wastegate, ready to rock and roll. We got all the cold side charge pipes tightened up, ready to rock and roll. The oil feed line's working perfectly. Everything's just like coming together. We need to get the ECU hooked up. We need to wrap the header. We need to do a couple little odds and ends. But who is this video sponsored by? Not Feisty Cherry Coke, which is, this is actually really, really good. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down, drop me a comment. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Make sure to head over to the Instagram page, swankymods.com, get some swanky gear. And anything else, Ben? All right, see you guys later. Peace.
Yeah.